Hello, Tom here with Cerakote. I've been in the auto refinishing and detailing industry for 20 years. And as you know, choosing the right products for you and your customer is critical to the success of a professional detailer. Cerakote is the industry leader in innovation and manufacturing of liquid ceramic coatings. And today I'm really excited to introduce Cerakote's professional ceramic paint coating. Our easy to apply professional ceramic paint coating provides unmatched gloss, slickness, water behavior, and durability that lasts hundreds of washes. I will guide you through some easy steps to achieve this superior finish. First, one 30 milliliter bottle is suitable for most sedans, while larger vehicles such as trucks or SUVs may require additional product. As you know, with any detailing process, it's very important to be in a clean environment that's out of direct sunlight. Start the application with the vehicle's paint already corrected, which in this case included a clay bar and paint correction. Finish the preparation by wiping the paint with isopropyl alcohol. This removes any residues from the paint correction process. You're going to shake the bottle of coating for about 30 seconds. I'm using my preferred microfiber application pad and generously wetting the surface of that pad. Using a cross-hatch application method, I like to work in 3-foot sections. Lastly, finish off the edges. Inspect the section to ensure there aren't any areas that have been missed and touch up as needed. Then set a timer for 5 minutes, after which you'll perform the final buffing step. During this time, you will notice the coating will start to sweat or bead. This is normal. After the 5 minutes are up, begin buffing the coated surface using new high-quality microfiber cloths. I prefer a 2-towel buffing method. My first towel levels and removes any excess coating, while my second towel simply buffs to a deep shine. You'll notice the incredible slickness and gloss right away. You'll want to apply additional coating to your applicator pad each time you start a new section. The application pad should feel slick and glide across the surface. With each finished section, carefully review your work to ensure the surface has a brilliant shine and is free from any haze. We recommend waiting a minimum of 2 hours before returning the vehicle to your customer and 24 hours before washing or exposing the vehicle to water. All right, you've just finished applying the industry's highest performing ceramic paint coating that provides incredible gloss, slickness, and water behavior that lasts hundreds of washes. As with all Cerakote products, we're here to help, and we'd love to hear from you with any questions or comments. Call, click, or scan to get in touch with us. And thank you again for finishing strong with Cerakote.